Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for injuries to the clavicle or collarbone if you've been injured in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. Now, if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. The clavicle, or as it's often known, the collarbone, is often damaged in road traffic accidents and accidents at work. And if you're interested in broken collarbone compensation payouts, I'll shortly be going over our broken clavicle settlement for injury table. But first, I'd like to emphasise that these figures on the table are for your injuries alone and do not include any amounts for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which, if these other amounts do end up forming part of your compensation claim, the amount you receive may be significantly larger than the figures in the table. In front of us we have the table for collarbone injuries, and this level of award will depend on the extent of the fracture, level of disability, residual symptoms, and whether temporary or permanent, and whether union is anatomically displaced. Unusually serious cases may exceed this bracket, but you could expect to receive anything from £4,110 right the way up to £9,760. I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can contact us on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. We'll be happy to go over any personal injury compensation guidelines that you may have questions about and use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to give you a more accurate idea of just how much may be claimed. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.